Hi, everybody. We are at the bar. We're at the bar, and she's drinking. She's drinking Red Bull right there. She's drinking. I'm drinking something else. But we're at the bar at the Marriott at NOMCon with Christine Getmer from Magic Wheelchair, and we are wiring Christine, right? And so she had a request from me, which was
fix my life.
Fix my life. She wanted to be able to control PowerPoint on any computer, not just her own, without having one of these awesome people who normally is her mouse button, right?
Yep.
All right. So we did it, and we are going to kind of show how. So would you mind if I flip this around?
Yep.
All right. Good. One sec. All right. So here we have. Say hi, Christine. Hi. All right. So what we did, all we've done so far, is we took a very simple circuit playground, and we were going to replace this with one of where's your one with the skull on it? It's there. Grab it. Yeah, that's good. That's fine. So we are going to replace it with one of these awesome Hallowings. Because come on, it's for Scotty. It's got to be a Hallowing with the skull on it, right? Yeah, and Christine less so, but still little goth in you. Gotcha. Well, pants are black. All right. So we are going to replace this circuit playground with a cooler version of it. But you'll notice that it's got capacitive touch pads on it. And so all Christine has to do in order to be able to control this is we put a little piece of conductive tape. Could you go backwards? Hey, look at that. All right, so what we've done here is we have set up Christine's hand so that now she's going to give my presentation on engaging kids in high school. And you'll see she's going forward. And could you go back, please? Oh, look at that. Can you go one more? Can you go back one more? One more. Look at that. All right, so the way this works is it simply looks at how long Christine presses that piece of tape.
So
Quick tap goes forward, long tap goes backwards. Super easy. She actually watched me code it. It wasn't complicated.
I'm going to learn.
You're going to learn to code. Absolutely, because then you can write this and you don't have to call me. How great would that be, right?
I mean, I like making other people do stuff.
Yeah, but not me. I got enough on my plate, right? We're good. So you'll notice that she is like going through my entire presentation of, FIRST robotics and all the ways you get teens to do stuff. And it's totally working. And this will work on anything because all it does is it sends a space bar to go forward and a back arrow to go back, right? Yep, long press is back, short tap is space. So that's all we got it right there. Now we have other options with you. We have FSRs, which we're going to try out. Probably not tonight because it's getting too late. But FSRs for multiple presses. And then your Spinraza hand. Can I see your Spinraza hand? Yeah, it's waking up. And we will, I can feel that. And if I can feel it, the FSR can feel it. And so that will be a future expansion of, that will be Christine 2.0, right? Get an upgrade. Yes? All right, well, this is awesome. And we're all happy.
Thank you.
Right? All right, and we're good? Yes? All right. Bye, guys.
Come to my presentation.
Oh, come to Christine's presentation tomorrow at NOMCon. See ya. Bye.